Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by limiting damage. Stop speaking for 1 to 2 hours to give swollen vocal folds a break. Then, hydrate steadily, sip room temperature water, 5 to 10 sips every 10 minutes, because moisture reduces friction and helps tissue recovery. Avoid throat clearing. That forces folds together and makes injury worse. Once done with this short rest, make sure to breathe slowly and through your nose so air stays humidified. These first actions reduce inflammation and set the stage for gentle rehabilitation. You now begin slow, controlled vocal exercises to restore function without strain. Start with lip trills and hums for 2 to 3 minutes to engage resonance and ease airflow. This warms tissues gently. Next, perform straw phonation. Phonate through a narrow straw for 5 repetitions of 10 to 15 seconds, because the back pressure balances fold vibration and reduces collision force. Then practice speaking softly in short phrases, low intensity, to reintegrate speech patterns while monitoring any pain or increased roughness. You finish by returning to regular voice use gradually. Increase loudness and duration over 1 to 3 days, paying attention to discomfort. This prevents relapse. If hoarseness persists beyond 2 weeks, especially with pain or coughing blood, consult an ENT or speech therapist because persistent issues may need medical evaluation. As a troubleshooting tip, avoid whispering. It strains more than soft speech, and stop smoking, alcohol, and decongestants since they dry and irritate tissues, undermining recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.